Guys, NYC Kicks here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of all the scuffs on the plastics on your Jordan 4s. So first, you're going to start with your tape, and you have your acetone nearby. And you're going to make sure you want to tape up everything so you don't see any part of the material on the 4s at all. You're then simply going to want to go over all the plastic and make sure you hit especially the spots that are scratched up, but you want to hit everything in general because we're going to put all the matte finish across everything anyway. So we're going to make sure it's all nice and coated. A lot of people don't know about this, which is surprising, but it adds a lot of value to your shoe. So you're going to have, when they matte finish, you're going to shake it up, make sure it's all nice and ready. And you spray up the shoe, make sure you get a nice even coat. Don't go too heavy on it, just make sure you're nice and even across. And that's all you really need to do. Then after it dries, you have your final result. It comes out crispy every single time. Make sure to follow the Instagram link in bio.